Lesson 1, Part 2, Quantum Numbers. Quantum numbers are a special set of numbers that help you describe the location of an electron in an atom. There are 4 quantum numbers that we'll be learning. Principal quantum number, given the abbreviation N, angular momentum quantum number, given the abbreviation L, magnetic quantum number, M sub L, and spin quantum number, M sub S. We will learn about these 4 quantum numbers. Let's begin with the first one, the principal quantum number. This one describes the energy level. Energy level 1, energy level 2, energy level 3. So, if I have 1s, this is principal quantum number n is equal to 1. If I have 2s, like the second circle here, then the principal energy quantum number is equal to 2. So when you're trying to find the principal quantum number n, you look at this number. You look at this number. Let's give one more example. What if I have 3d? What's the quantum number n? 3. You look at this number. Pause the video and make some notes from this slide. Second quantum number is L. L is the angular momentum quantum number. You'll see me write it like this, L. The L describes the shape of the orbital. If we have an s orbital, then the L will be 0. If we have a p orbital, the L will be 1. If we have a d orbital, the L will be 2. If we have an f orbital, the L will be 3. We're not going to use g. Let me give you an example. 3p. Can you give me the n and the L? All right, remember we said n is this number. So the energy level is 3. Then for the L, you look at the sublevel. Here's P. What's the L for P? It's 1. Next quantum number is called the magnetic quantum number. M sub L is the abbreviation. This one tells you about the orientation of the orbitals. The orientation of the orbitals. So, for example, if I have L equals 0, M sub L can only be 0. If I have L equals 1, M sub L can be minus 1, 0, or plus 1. So M sub L will go from minus L to 0 to positive L. If I have 2, L is 2, then ML is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Let me give you an example. Let's do 3p. Can you give me the, not the m, I'm sorry. Can you give me the n, the l, and the m sub l? All right, remember n, we look at this number, 3. P is the L. This is what we look at to find the L. Remember this slide here? We look for P. What's the L for P? It's 1. So we put 1. What's the M sub L? So M sub L, if L is 1, this one here, if L is 1, then M sub L can be minus 1, or it can be 0, or it can be plus 1. The next quantum number is called the spin quantum number. It's given the abbreviation MS. The spin means the electron is going clockwise or counterclockwise. If the electron is going clockwise, we say that the MS is half. And if it's going counterclockwise, we say the MS is minus half. All right? How to know which one is it? You can't know. It's either one of these. Let's give an example. 2s. Can you give me the n the L, the M sub L, and the M sub S. All right, let's start with the N. Remember, the N is this big number, so 2. The L, you look at the S. What's the L for S? Let's go back to the notes. Look here, what's the L for S? It's 0. So this is 0. If L is 0, look here, if L is 0, what's ML? Also, it's going to be 0. And MS is 1/2 or minus 1/2. Pause the video and try to answer this question. Give the possible quantum numbers for 3s and 2p. All right, check your answers. Do you have a mistake somewhere? You can see me and ask questions. N is the energy level, this number. So N equals 3. L, we look at this one, the S. S, the L is 0. Remember, S, L is 0. For the P, L is 1. For the D, L is 2. Okay, so this is S, so L is 0. ML is also 0, and MS can be +1/2 or -1/2. Next question. Here's the energy level, 2. What's the L for P? It's 1, so here's 1. So ML is -1, 0 plus 1, and MS is +1/2 or -1/2. Pause the video and try to answer these two. Give the possible quantum numbers for 3D and 3P. All right, check your answers. If you have any questions, you can come and see me. Pause the video and try to answer this question. Are the following quantum numbers valid or invalid? Valid means correct, invalid means not correct. Let's take a look. N equals 3. What does it mean, N equals 3? N equals 3 means third energy level. So not the first level, not the second level, the third level. This is N equals 3. So this is third energy level. What does it mean, L equals 3? Remember, L equals 0 is S, L equals 1 is P, L equals 2 is D, L equals 3 is F. So this means F. All right, now in the third energy level, is there an F orbital? Remind yourself, the third energy level, remember energy level 1 has S, energy level 2 has SOP, energy level 3 has SOPUD. There's no F, so this is invalid. This is invalid. Pause the video and try to answer this question. Are the following quantum numbers valid or invalid? Okay, now in energy level 4, this means energy level 4, we have S, OP, OD, and F. What does it mean, L equals 3? L equals 3 means F. Do we have F in the fourth level? Yes. So this is okay and this is okay. ML is -4. Now if L equals 3, remember ML can be -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. There's no 4. So this is wrong. So this one is also invalid.